My name is Einar Þórhallsson, and I've been part of AGR since 2007. I started as a consultant, working closely with many great companies, each and every one with their own unique supply chain and different challenges, including many of you attending here today, which makes me very happy and a little bit proud, I have to say. And I'm really excited to talk about our journey to the cloud. Our SaaS transformation hasn't just transformed our product, it has truly reshaped the way we serve, support, and collaborate with our users. We've always had a strong connection with our users, and we have taken a lot of pride in that. And in a way, our moving to SaaS has brought us even closer. With AI and our standard data connectors, we are boosting efficiency and freeing up our team to focus on what matters most, helping you succeed and navigating the growing complexities of today's supply chain management. And it's been amazing really to see the impact of AGR SaaS, helping our customers succeed faster, with less effort, and in a more sustainable way. And that is part of what makes our work so rewarding here at AGR. And with AGR now fully in the cloud, in SaaS, what does it mean for you? First, SaaS, or software as a service, means our product is standardized and hosted in the cloud, which makes it accessible anytime, anywhere over the internet, and it's ready for use. And because AGR SaaS is standardized and cloud-hosted, implementations are much simpler. With our pre-built data integrations with multiple ERP systems, our standard connectors, our customers can quickly connect to AGR and get their data into the system faster than ever before. And our customer support is now more efficient than before. With everyone using the same solution, we can train and assist our users faster in a scalable and effective way. Our consultants no longer have to navigate complex custom setups before providing the help. Instead, they can use their deep expertise in our standard system and in supply chain management in general to focus on more important matters, helping you maximizing value and tackle unique supply chain challenges when they occur. And I think there lies the advantage of standardization. And we also know, like Haukur have been talking about, that many of you, our current on-prem customers, rely on important, sometimes critical customization. And so to make it possible for them to even think about moving to SaaS, we knew it was essential to meet diverse and different and sometimes complicated requirements and needs within a standard solution. So that's why we have spent a lot of time focusing on building flexibility directly into the product. And I want to show you here how it works and sharing an example. Here you can see how customizations have traditionally been done. Here we are looking at SQL code and where our consultants are modifying this code to tailor the AGR setup to each customer for their specific requirements. This case here we are looking at setting up rules for order routing for a customer with multiple locations. And with AGR SaaS, we moved this functionality into the user interface, putting control directly in your hands. Now you can configure order routing and other settings as well, right in the system, while still having support from our team when you need it. And this makes for a more transparent setup. The process is faster, and overall, it's just much more efficient. And that's the power of having built-in flexibility in the product itself. Here is another example, an example of our standard connectors. One of the standard connectors that we have developed. This one is for Microsoft Business Central. And setting it up actually requires no involvement from your IT team or your BC service providers. You simply install the HR Data Integrator app like any other app in Business Central, follow our setup instructions, and HR will then connect to your BC environment, retrieving data in our system, and then sending orders back seamlessly. And when we started the SaaS journey, like you seen before, we only had one standard connector, which was this one, to Microsoft BC. But over the past 12 months, our incredible integrations team have been rolling out new standard connectors at an incredible pace, really. And now we can offer standard integrations with various ERP systems, as you can see here on the slide. And we are expecting to continue to roll out new connectors as we look ahead. I want to highlight here what we mean when we talk about a standard connector. It means that we can quickly connect to the ERP system. Everything is fully documented, and the standard data mapping is available in our knowledge base. So you have full visibility into where your data flow is coming from your ERP system, both fast setup and complete transparency. And this has proven to be an excellent way to get up and running quickly, and after the implementation, to maintain it in a sustainable way. And for most of our customers, our standard connectors covers all needs because we have the ability to add custom columns, and we have a built-in data management feature, which we introduced last year, that really bridges the gaps in the data that you might have. And it has been a bit of a game changer for our customer success team, having the data management feature in the system, because now we can tackle data challenges in a more easy way. And there are many use cases for this tool. For example, if your data is missing in the ERP system, you don't have to get back to your IT department or your ERP provider and maybe pay for costly changes to add data or add fields in your ERP system. You can simply manage it here in your UI. And for those of you that have more customized needs, or you have a very bespoke ERP system, our staging framework enables the development of custom integrations to fit your specific requirements. Now, with all of these changes I've been talking about, the built-in flexibility, our standard connectors, and the data management feature, we have been able to dramatically reduce implementation time. Previously, implementation used to take 3 to 6 months. And now we implement in a week. Plus, instead of time-based estimates, we now offer fixed pricing, making the process more predictable and transparent for our customers. You pay for the value, not for the billable hours related to the implementation or the support. Instead, you simply pay a fixed price for the value you receive. And this means that companies that once couldn't afford a specialized inventory management solution because it was too big of an investment in the beginning, can now take advantage of the solutions we built. Solutions based on decades of experience, optimizing all kinds of different supply chains And for me, which is maybe the most important part here, is that we are seeing our users that have gone on to SaaS being much less reluctant to engage with our customer success team because there is no extra cost attached. And for us being in a more active dialogue with you guys, it means that we are better positioned to help our users, you guys, to succeed and maximize the value of the system. And we've always known that our product delivers real results for our customers. But now, being in a more active dialogue, you could say in a way that our sense of responsibility towards your success has grown. It's not just about getting customers started, it's also about making sure that you continue to achieve your goals and that we can demonstrate the success in a measurable way. And we really welcome this challenge. That's why we developed a performance dashboard in Power BI, which we regularly review with our customers. And together we analyze different key metrics, we analyze your results, and we try to find new opportunities to improve. And there is always room for improvement in supply chain, as we know. And here you have a real example from one of our customers that successfully reduced their total inventory by 20% in their first 12 months using the system. It's a huge impact in today's business environment, where tying up excess capital in inventory can be, it can make all the difference. And within our Insights module, users can access this dashboard anytime, right alongside other reports in Power BI. The dashboard pulls data from AGR through an open web service, our public API, and we sometimes say it can unlock your AGR data, giving you the freedom to use it in the way that best fits your needs. This means you can integrate the data into other reporting tools or systems. You can use our standard dashboard as a starting point and then expanding and customizing that with your own specialized reports, all powered with our AGR data. Another benefit with having AGR in the cloud is that we can now centrally monitor all of our customers' environments, all of our setups in one place. So we have developed an internal control system which allows us to track and look at key processes such as the overnight runs and make sure that they can execute without issues and all the data is updated correctly. So basically we are making sure that everything runs smoothly, and when our users need assistance, we are never far away. Users can get help directly within our system through our live chat, and allowing us to respond faster and more effectively than through our traditional service desk or our, where you have to open a ticket or you have to send us an email. And then there are those who prefer to help themselves. Some studies have actually shown that there are people out there that would rather clean a toilet than talk to a customer support. They would much rather want to find answers on their own. I'm not sure what I feel about that when I'm in contact with our customers, but for all these users, our help material are available in a knowledge base to support AGR SaaS. Personally, I like to get answers right away. I'd rather not want to search through a manual myself, and that's where AI comes in strong. We've recently gained a powerful new team member when we introduced our AI chatbot, which we call Finn. Finn is built on the same AI model as ChatGPT, meaning he can understand questions and messages basically in any language. He knows all of our help material inside and out. The only one that knows it inside and out. And he can provide concise, accurate answers based on that information. And Finn has already proven himself. And his biggest advantage, of course, is that he always responds instantly. But here I want to stop a little bit and emphasize that with Finn, we are not replacing human support. We're simply giving AI the chance to provide instant answers where possible and reducing unnecessary wait times. And if Finn can't answer, then we are ready to step in, take over the chat, and correct our new trainee. We also continuously refine our help material, so we're always training Finn with better content, so he can answer more questions correctly and help users solve their issues right away. And I want to show you here a real example of how Finn successfully helped a user solve an issue within HR. Here the user asks whether it's possible to remove a specific customer from the sales history of a product so that this customer's past purchases don't affect the sales forecast. And sure enough, Finn has this covered, and he simply responds, yes, no problem, just follow these simple steps, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then he follows up to confirm, is this what you're looking for? The user is impressed, it seems, says thanks, and everyone moves on with their day. It's pretty cool, right? And for me, the most exciting part is actually what's ahead. We are now working on enabling Finn to answer questions about your own data and your own settings. It could be you want to ask Finn about when your next scheduled order is for this particular supplier. Basically means that Finn's answer will become even more personalized and tailored to your needs. And we are now seeing our users engage with Finn on a daily basis. And it really warms our hearts to see the depth and the accuracy and actually the meaningful support that Finn provides. And we have a lot of fun going through the answers. Maybe spend too much time reading what Finn is when he's talking to our customers. Yes, many doors have opened since we moved to the cloud. Implementations have become simpler. There are no hourly service costs, and we are continuously making sure our customers are achieving success after implementation. You know exactly what you're getting, at what price up front, more value, less.